Welcome back to another episode of Imara Nation podcast. Today we have a very special guest. A very special guest indeed. Vibe scheme in the building. Hey. The way you make your body body and touch everybody part. Feel she make when we a fuck you make me happy laugh. Me send it now your heart and it make you happy cough. You pussy tired so me send it now your jaw. Whoa. It and a charm me I get it and a bow. Whoa. Me to girl nothing but you no regular. The way you do it up me I feel beg your pause. It happy, slappy when me come true. I move like an animal, cut loose. Grab a gossip if she gets so cute. In a road, she full of gas and dogs. She not stop until me bust juice. Pussy like inevitable, the cocky must bruise. Bruise me cocky till in a much use. So me set her in a one angle, they will hook tunes. You don't know survive scheming at the place, ladies and gentlemen. Touch everybody part. I want nation and Imara Nation. Make me happy that. Yeah. You pussy tired so me send it now your job. You get it and a charm me, I get it and a bow. Whoa. Me to girl nothing but you no regular. The way you deal with it, me have to beg your pass. Me make a call to the girl say come over now. Soon as she come through the door, she then over bounce. Over the pretty pink nipple, me tongue a bounce. Simultaneously na the pussy a thump it out. Me a thump it out, yeah me a beat it. Me a beat it like a Trinidad steal it. She a got it so tired but she freaky bad. She look at me and say she want eat dinner.
Stop it, calm down.
Easy. Crazy. Yeah, well, I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. You understand? That was my song right there entitled Pause. They're on every major streaming platform. You understand? So check it out. But yo, we didn't even talk about that right now. Ladies and gentlemen, people, we have a very talented being in the building today. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome the one and only Vibe Scheme.
Yeah, man, you don't know anything, but
crazy. You understand?
Wessie, I am sorry. I never do it again. Daddy, what is Poom Poom?
You don't know anything going on with there. It's in life.
Yes, so the one and only Vibe Scheme, most famously known for Felicia, Don't Stop Stab.
Yeah, man.
Wessie.
And also
Wessie, gon' yam shit.
Yeah, man.
And then now you have Jimmy. Yeah.
Daddy, what is back road? Daddy, I want to buy some Poom Poom.
Oh my, you see me?
Man, you know anything
yes, we're there. Vibe Scheme, give thanks, so bless the podcast, bro. You understand?
Already, man. Tell us something, you know.
Yeah.
When you do the interview, you know, you see what I say?
Yeah.
So when you link me, I have to say, I have to forward, you see it?
Facts.
We have to link up and do this, you see me? When you really do interview and them thing, because, you know?
Yeah.
You see?
Superstar do interview.
Yeah, when I really do interview, you see
yeah.
me? Like Alkaline. You know, Alkaline do interview. When I do interview with her, but you don't know anything, bro.
Yeah,
one nation, you see me? So we have to represent every time, you see?
Yeah, man, big up the creative clan, you understand?
Yeah.
Brother, as I said, I give thanks, you see me? But let's jump into the question portion of the podcast. Who is Vibe Scheme, bro?
Alright, Vibe Scheme. Real name Akeem.
Yeah.
You see me? I have to know the rest, but real name Akeem. You see me? Vibe Scheme is just a humble youth from out Little London, Westmoreland. You see me? Used to go Manning School. Used to go Edna Manley. You see me? Used to do theater.
Dope.
Yeah, used to do theater professionally, you see me?
Very
travel
talented.
all over the place. You see me? We used to act with Del Cita.
Word.
Okay. So theater was like my main bread and butter, you see me? But
word.
Theater start, I only put things go on in theater, so I have to cut left that, you see me?
You care to share anything? Like
alright. What I wanted out of theater I couldn't get because I wanted to be the man.
Word.
You see me? But they monopolize the thing away where it's like you have to work for please for build other people and not yourself. Word. Plus, in a theater, everybody who I surrounded myself with, they never have my talent or my best interest at heart.
Oh, so it was like a dog eat dog environment.
Even I mean I will call the name still, but even my ex manager, the manager I did have.
Yeah.
The man did in a competition with me.
Word.
You see me? And him fair manage my career and him man in a competition with me.
Madness.
He might try get me woman. All of the things him gonna do. And the man, yo, you see all when time I left around him man, some things when me hear say the man a say about me that come like say man want take my life bad man. I'm tell you say I have no luck with people. Damn. That's why for the most part, me stay to myself, me keep my life personal and them way there, you see me?
Facts. You got to. So you say you found out a little London. How was
Brown
that?
bush.
How was the brought up there? How was the growing up?
Yo, right now, sometimes I wish me could have go back to them days. I mean, I tell you the truth.
Some of the best days.
Some of my best days of my life. I never have nothing to worry about. You see me? It's a small community. Everybody did closely knit. You see what I say?
Yeah.
May I use the word right?
Yeah, man.
Sometimes I have to do this.
Aren't we all?
All right. So yes, it's a closely knit community. You see what I say? Yeah, fun times. Me grew up with my mother.
Yeah. A lot of us did.
Yeah, me grew up with my mother.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me not really. Yeah, my father. Yeah, but me grew up with my mother.
Yeah.
You see what I say?
So you say everybody was there, like, you know, you're missing half of the parental guidance, but your community aided your brought up. Say
not necessarily, no, 'cause my mother didn't really want where I go nowhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, she like they want. It's like she always stay like yard.
Bro, I don't know what it is. I think it's a fear of losing us to the street. Why they never want to go up on the road, brother.
Even till to the day, she overprotective of me. You see me? But me have to go out there and learn the streets myself. So
Facts.
she don't know that I know some things about the streets.
Youth, how we are the youth?
Yeah, man, youth. I with the hey, boy, youth. You see me? So she never want me. She never chew. I went time reached like a latter part of high school. I must chew me a meal. She start like Lego. I can you see me go out there more.
Word.
When time reach a college now, I just take off.
Makes sense, bro, because at the end of the day, within yourself, you feel at that stage, you feel like a grown man and you feel like, say, you're right now, mommy, I know what's best for me now. You understand? Because I tell you, bro, I whole heap of parents, bro, even like I Portmore, I grew up, you see me? I'm born at East, but I grew up at Portmore, you see me?
Yeah.
And, you know, bro, I therefore left from around my mother, brother, like, I couldn't do it no more. Too much feminine energy. You see me? And then now, I used to, like, me, my brother, my mother, and my sister. My brother did cut, and it's like too much feminine energy, bro. So every day, road.
Yeah. But you know, still, like even till today, like certain things, certain changes to my life, and my mother helped me.
Word.
You see me? My mother helped me. So like, I'm not say me really a mama's boy still, but it's like, yo, me have to just have the utmost respect for my mother. My father did it. In the early part, but the more I grow, the more I see certain things about him and some things when do me. You see what I say?
Word.
Yo, me did a dead, you know, bad man. Me did have a kidney disease, you know. Up to now, my health still no 100. You see me?
You want to talk about that?
Nothing wrong, cause me pass it.
So
most part.
I remember
kidney
seeing
disease,
that
bad man, and my father knew about that. You see me? And my father never loved me unconditionally. My mother stick by me throughout the years, bad man. Me shouldn't even dare right, you know. And my mother links me, I could even get a surgery done, bad man.
So what exactly?
My father did want me dead, bad man. You see me?
So what
that alone me can get from it.
So
that alone me can get from it. The man narrate me, and then the man go make it look like say, yo, I me neglect him and ray. You see me? But anyways,
so
topic.
He might carry feelings. He might say, yo, because you not deal with him, he want you drop out. Cause he might say him basically him draw him on because
you're not
run up in him.
No, but him draw away hand, you know. But watch ya, it's like him and my mother don't really have a good relationship.
Word.
It's like I was caught in the middle of
but
that.
I've seen that, and especially in our community, bro, you and the mother and the father don't get along, the child suffer.
Yeah,
when are we as adults going to realize that it should not be like that?
Yeah, so even like it messed me up like mentally.
It would have messed up anybody, bro.
So acting was like my escape from a lot of things.
Word.
You see me?
Word.
It's like I want to disappear and go somewhere else. You see what I say? Now, so my upbringing was total crap, you know. But it's like certain aspects of, you know, it's like, boy, it's like you have to pick a side. It's like, you see what I say? And because me don't want to pick a side, it's like, man just hate me. Man tell me already. Certain things, the man tell me what I'm out, you see me? And it's like, from that, me start preem. You see what I say? But anyways, yeah, me there right now, and
alive and well. You understand? You know, going through like kidney disease and them thing that a lot of people don't make it out, bro. But you're there for a purpose, brother.
And you know, say even when time like when me I do videos, cause me just started Instagram like 2019. Me used to do videos before that.
Yeah.
But me never really have me never did a focus on a niche.
Right.
Me used to just put out a video like on Facebook, for example, and I hope say yo it go viral. Me used to do like you have a video everybody know me say yo me's a breast man, me love girl with big breasts.
Yeah.
Brother, enough things me do. Bad man, me do music videos. Me do as me say me do theater, me do music videos.
You do movies. Me see no movie
me do movie already. Me in a movie.
Yo, alone celebrity about that fan. I want some boy.
Yeah man, you know thing about me one of them youth is like me don't know. Me don't know. Me not believe say me get the highlight where
you deserve.
Me deserve because I don't know. It's like, alright, in them early part, as me say, me never really have focus on a niche. So everybody will know me from, yo, are you doing Lazy Body music video? People will know me from Giant Tenants, people will know me from I think I name the Fade Away music video for Romeo and Virgo. You see me? But right now, me I tell you the truth, Negus, me, I want the baddest thing. I
can agree.
Me I want the baddest thing. And I don't know hype thing or nothing like that.
Nah.
But me have to push myself and motivate
them
myself.
No see it, you have to make them see it, brother.
Me I want the baddest thing.
Straight up.
Me I want the baddest thing.
Yeah.
Me looking at the camera like
yeah, man.
Me I want the baddest thing. I'm telling you that. But
I can co-sign on that. But I'm telling you why me I co-sign on that is because I work with the dog already, you see me? For multiple occasions, and one of the baddest skit them I would have, unfortunately, my fault, my phone get screwed up, you see me? But we'll lose the footage there. But the work we'll put in, I can tell say the dog genuinely have talent, raw talent. And a them type of people, that man need mix up. In the need for a touch certain topic or do certain things because him actually can act. Him actually can tell joke.
And at that, you know, I'm a would I say me I'm more of an actor. I'm an actor first. Comedy is like me more start explore that the latter part.
Yeah, especially upon Instagram.
Right. But I'm more of an actor. Like I have an Actor Boy award.
Word.
You see me? You see after me win me Actor Boy award, me just left theater.
What? Cause of the whole bad mind thing.
Bad mind thing, the crab in a barrel. Yo, them say crab in a barrel, the crab in a barrel thing in a music, but theater, and it's such a small circle.
And
theater,
everybody compete.
And not just a competition, man. Yeah, people will pre your life in that bad man. I tell you.
That serious?
That's serious, brother. I tell you.
Even some of the people them will watch pan theater or adore and love. Them full of hatred and bad mind.
Put it away, yeah. Some of the people them who know and love in a theater.
Yeah.
Off the stage, somebody else. Completely different.
Some demons them.
Yeah.
Damn. You heard it first on Imara.
As me say still, me not forward for put on nobody or nothing like that. But
yo, I hear people say that just talk on that talk.
No man,
brother.
the thing is that because you know how people stay, bad man. You know how people are stay.
Especially in our culture.
Right. So yeah. me just be real. You see what I mean? I say?
Yeah.
And it took some time for me to be real. You understand? Because I normally just hush my mouth or not say nothing so till me realize say it only affect me.
Yeah.
You understand? Only affect me. But you see after me win the award, it's like me win an Oscar then in the Jamaican world. You see me? It's like me win an Oscar. And I say to myself, say, yo, watch ya. I hate this in me and step cause nothing go on here so bad, man. All me I do I get a fight. And even now, me I do the Instagram thing, me get a fight same way. You see me? Me now go say me always me consistent. Sometimes me do free video, me not tell no lie.
Yeah.
There's some video where to me I say, yo, this bad. And when you reach out there, it's like me I say, yo, people I say, yo, what that? And then me do some video sometimes and me I say, I figure this, I'm gonna put out the people them a rave.
I love it, yeah. You with videos you never know. Because everything, you know, comedy is subjective, bro. You know, people like different things. You know, like even I talked to World Dog just a week ago, and the man I say, yo, sometimes the video don't funny to him personally, but when him look, him have 5,000 comments, and then him put out a video where him like, and him get all 2,000 comments. I must say, yo, you wanna like this. You see me? But it's unfortunate, bro, in the theater world, bro. So you coming out of theater helped you to, you know, run in on the social media world, in the comedic world. So what inspired that after you leave theater?
I think me just want me do want something for myself. Me do want build myself and put my talent out there to the forefront. Word. You see what I say? And as me say, based off of I had some people who want to prove wrong.
Okay.
You understand what I say? Yeah, some people who want. Me telling those people. You see, even theater to me, theater harder than for do film or for do videos. Because you can if you do something mess up, if you frig up a video, you can always retake. And go over that, but okay. in a theater,
one go,
and you have to can skill. If a crowd can pick up, say, you know, say make a mistake, but you see how they rate it is how you come back from that.
Facts.
Why if you come back,
bro? I'm a grown man, bro. You see me? I don't really pay attention to anything now.
Yeah, you see me. So, as me said, brother, me not lie, like. For me, I know that my true potential, more while my true potential is not being, how should I say, I not emit my true potential. I not show my true potential. Because separate apart from videos, I have a life. A whole heap of responsibility. You see me? And even when me do videos and I entertain people, me sick. Enough people don't know that because, you know, me keep things personal.
Yeah.
You understand? So sometimes a video may not like come after what I want it, but honestly, me in a pain, can't whether to do it over or whatever, and I want to keep current, so I just put it out there. You see what I say? But a lot of people, me know say a lot of people out there, they know me. Even before me start take Instagram or TikTok serious. You see me? I really last year me start take TikTok serious, and TikTok has been more.
You blew up like super crazy on TikTok.
Yo, TikTok has been more rewarding for me than Instagram.
Yeah,
I think I have 200,000 followers on TikTok.
Yeah, I think
me even drop me hard to drop video more.
Yeah, and when you do, crazy likes, crazy views.
Yeah, because people love Jimmy.
Yeah,
you see me? People love Jimmy.
So speaking about that, we are getting to the next segment soon. Cause we're gonna talk about the character them and all them things. They say, yo, you don't know say one nation and Imara nation. You understand?
Yeah, man, crazy.
Make sure you wanna stay tuned and look out for the next segment. You understand? We are here with Vibe Scheme, very talented individual, ladies and gentlemen. Yo. Soon forward. Up move.